25 sentences with the word concerning.
The manager held a meeting concerning the new project guidelines.
She received an email concerning the changes in the schedule.
There were rumors circulating concerning the company's financial health.
He asked several questions concerning the details of the contract.
The report concerning the accident was submitted to the authorities.
She expressed her concerns concerning the safety of the neighborhood.
The teacher gave a lecture concerning the history of the Roman Empire.
They received a letter from the bank concerning their loan application.
There are ongoing discussions concerning the merger of the two companies.
The doctor provided information concerning the patient's treatment options.
We had a conversation concerning the upcoming event.
The article contains several errors concerning the facts of the case. He made a statement concerning his resignation from the position.
There are new regulations concerning environmental protection.
The lawyer gave advice concerning the legal implications of the contract.
They were concerned concerning the lack of communication from the management. She had a meeting with her supervisor concerning her performance review.
The survey gathered data concerning customer satisfaction.
There was a public announcement concerning the road closures.
The committee made recommendations concerning the proposed changes.
He received a call from the school concerning his child's behavior.
The book contains valuable insights concerning leadership and management.
She wrote an article concerning the impact of climate change on agriculture.
There was a debate concerning the best approach to solve the problem.
He provided evidence concerning his involvement in the project.